Nagsagawa ng isang basketball clinic para sa mga children with intellectual disabilities ang Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas at Special Olympics Pilipinas. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares ng PTV Sports.
Mula sa pagtutulungan ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas at Special Olympics Pilipinas, isang basketball clinic ang isinagawa para sa mga children with intellectual disabilities noong Huwebes sa Barangay Santa Cruz sa Pasig City. Ito ay alinsunod sa pinirmahang Memorandum of Understanding sa pagitan ng FIBA Foundation at Special Olympics International noong Setyembre na layong itaguyod ang inclusive environment sa larangan ng palakasan. Ilan sa mga national team coach ang nakiisa sa nasabing basketball clinic sa pangunguna nila Gilas Pilipinas Women Head Coach Patrick Aquino at Gilas Pilipinas Men's Team Assistant Coach Jongoy Chico. Naging kinatawan ng SOP ang kasalukuyang program director na si Kate Justin Samson at ang national director na si John B. Amido.
And yesterday is the kick-off of our activity kasi yung goal talaga is to really widen our reach in terms of grassroots and inclusive basketball program across the country.
Sinigurado rin ni Amido at ng SOP na bago isagawa ang programa ay sumailalim muna sa isang disability sensitivity training ang mga basketball coaches ng SBP.
It's really essential for us to really make sure na yung mga coaches natin, though they are already professional coaches, but they have to be equipped on how to properly manage and coach our special athletes.
Bukod sa basketball, target din ng SOP na mas palawakin pa ang kanilang inclusive programs kasama ang iba pang national at international sports associations.
Kumbaga, the technical expertise sa kanila yun wala naman sa amin yun. So we just work together, complement our efforts, and our strengths and weaknesses so that we could be able to really make sure that we provide the best, inclusive sports programming for our athletes.
Samantala, nagpaabot din ng pasalamat si SOP Chairperson at National President Akiko Thompson Guevara kay President Al Panlilio at sa SBP para sa nasabing proyekto. Daryl Oclares para sa Bayan.